Good morning, everyone, or afternoon. I am back. It's been a while. The reason it's taken me so long to get back is because I have been really busy with work. Mardi Gras had me very busy. Hair, makeup. It's a good time to be a hairdresser, makeup artist on the Gulf Coast. But yeah, I've been moving. I got a new cat. Yeah, it's been a minute, but I'm back and I got some new stuff and I wanted to talk to you guys about that. Also wanted to share with you some of the stuff that I was really liking here lately. I'm going to turn my brightness up because I feel like I'm a little dark. Yeah, that's a little better. So I know it looks kind of weird in the background. I have like this little mess back here, but please ignore that. But yeah, I'm gonna get my hair curled and start putting on some makeup. I think I'm gonna curl my hair first and then I'll be right back to put on the makeup and talk to you about what's going on. I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. I curled my hair. I'm not gonna spray it yet, but I know it looks a little crazy, but my hair is so straight that I have to literally like put dry hairspray, which I use the Barcelona Pulp Riot dry shampoo in it to make it I'll have a little more volume and to refresh it. But yeah, it looks crazy, but trust me, the only way it will hold any sort of wave is if I keep it like this for a little while and then maybe recurl it again, especially with the humidity down here. So I was at Target recently and I found 9-year-old Leanne's favorite hair accessory, which was these things. I found them, there was a pack of 3 and there was teal, silver, and then black with like some rhinestones around it. And I was pretty excited. And let's see if I can get this on without poking out my eyeballs. But yes, this was my favorite thing in the whole world to keep my freaking hair out of my face when I was like 8 or 9. So I bought some because I remember them and I was very nostalgic and I was like, oh, I want them again. And here we are. But yeah, great thing to get if you need to keep your hair out of your face while you're doing makeup. So yes. So I feel like I keep saying so. I wanted to say I've been so busy, I didn't realize that Anastasia Beverly Hills came out with a new palette. It's the Riviera palette, and it's pretty gorgeous. I've been looking for some bright pink eyeshadow to use because I feel like my hair being navy blue looks best with like bright pink colors. So I got this and I'm pretty excited about it. I haven't even swatched it or anything yet. Also, while I was in New Orleans, I went to a flagship Sephora and I was pretty excited about that. And I got the Violet Voss rainbow palette, which is pretty awesome. I've been using that. I love Peach and Pearl. Those are 2 of my favorites so far. But overall, it's a really great palette. It has the colors are really pigmented and the pans are huge, so really love that. But yeah, so I'm just so excited to get started. I have so much new makeup and stuff that I don't even know where to start. Okay, so I'm back. I primed my face, curled my lashes, filled in my brows. I just need to put on some primer on my eyelids. The lighting outside, I think it's gonna rain and the lighting keeps getting lighter and darker, so sorry if my lighting is off in this video. But anyway, so as I was saying, this month or past month has been really hectic. I'm not complaining at all. I'd much rather be busy than not, but you can always tell my busy periods because I don't film as much. So when I'm not filming, trust me, it's not like I'm just sitting on the couch. I'm working. So, and by the way, if you hear something that sounds like a child crying in the background, That's my cat. He's been adopted, and he's a sweet baby, and he's purring. I don't know if you can hear that, but we'll see if he can behave while I'm doing my makeup in here. But anyway, been busy, and then we've had a little bit of issues. Well, not issues, just like we've been in the process of adopting Silas, and that was really emotionally draining. He actually, we took him to the vet, and it turned out he had an owner, and I felt pretty bad. Like, I felt really bad that he had an owner already, but he, fairly enough though, on my behalf, like, I did not know he had an owner. Like, he had not been fixed, he did not have a collar, and he was spending a good amount of time at my house. So I did not know he had an owner, and his owner was out of state. She and her husband were out of state at the time, and she had asked her mother to take care of the cat, but she actually has 2 cats. But this cat, Silas, I don't know if you can see him, he's like over here. I don't know if you can see him. I think, there you go, you can see him now. But he wasn't fixed, he had no collar. I needed to know that he was being taken care of because I felt attached to him. So I took him to the vet, got his shots, and then that night, it was Valentine's Day night, I found out that he did have an owner and that she was out of state, and she wanted me to know that he did have a home. And then I said back to her, you know, I want to do what's right for the cat. So basically, tell me what to do. You know, I don't want the cost to be called on me for taking someone else's cat. And, you know, if he is your cat, I don't want to steal the cat away from you. So, you know, I understand if you want us to release him back onto the street. So she responded back the next morning with a very nice text. And let's see if I can find it here. Just basically stating that she was happy that he had found a home with us. And, see if I can find it. Just basically stating that she was happy that he had found a home with us. I just wanted you to know that she said that she cared about him too, but she says she knows that I'll give him the best life, and I will. He is so spoiled right now. We give him like the best cat food you could never get, and he's just the most spoiled cat in the world, and I love him to death. And my husband's actually allergic, but it doesn't seem to bother him because this cat is so cool. We love him so much. As you can, he's right over there. And there he sits. Okay, so I'm back. And I'm gonna start doing my eyeshadow with my new palette. And I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. I'm pretty excited about using this. The colors are really, really pretty. I don't even know like what to do, like seriously. I think I'm going to go in first with Estate, which is this really pretty peachy color. So I'm looking in the mirror and doing this at the same time. And I'm going in also with Coastline. I'm just kind of buffing that out around the edges. Jensen Ackles was the king of the Bacchus Parade, and that's the parade we went to. And that was pretty cool. I love him. He is in the show Supernatural, and I've been watching that show forever. So that was really cool for me to see him. He's so cute. Jensen Ackles, you were just so cute. And like, while he was on the parade float, it looked like the lady that was sitting by him was giving him some sort of like important instructions on how to throw the coins. So like, he looked like he was in deep conversation. I'm putting Monte Carlo on my lid now. He looked like he was in deep conversation with her while he was like, he stopped for a good 5 minutes in front of us, like while we were watching the parade. And I took like a million really bad camera phone pictures of him. but he was in deep conversation with that lady. And I was thinking to myself, I'm like, I wonder what she's telling him, because I really wish he would look my way so I could get a better picture. But, oh well. I was trying to be present in the moment, but it was hard. Wanted to capture his self on my camera, but that was fun. Okay, and I've been like dying to use this one color, Bahamas. It's this bright pink, and I think I'm gonna use this. I don't know. Do I want to use this today? I don't think I want to use this today, actually. I don't know. No, I don't think I want to use this today. Not today. But I really like this palette a lot. I think what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in with Sails right here. And go in my inner corner. It's the white color. And that is white. Wow. Oh my gosh. Okay, cool. So it blends really well. I feel like it's making like a really kind of super pastel pink color with the pink that's in the palette already. Okay, so my camera's cutting off because of the temperature being too high, which I understand it's pretty hot in this room. It's not even spring yet, and it is like 73, 75 today, and it's humid, so it's gonna be a hot summer. But anyway, we're gonna go in with the color Palermo. I don't know, one or the other, something like that. Go in with that color, and I'm going right at, and I'm using a Morphe M421 brush. So, but we're trying. We are trying. Go in with Coastline right here. Yeah, this palette has pretty much been exactly what I've been looking for a while now. Like these pinks and oranges and stuff. Yes. Going in with Cabana again. Okay, so I lined my eyes really sloppily. I'm gonna go in with the color Canes on the outside of my eye because I want to deepen this up a little bit. I love it. I love that so much. My skin looks so bad today. I need to get a spray tan or something. Woo. Okay, and now I'm gonna go in with Mediterranean, which is this beautiful like slate blue with glitter in it. And I'm gonna cover up where I put that purple colored Canes. Yes. Yep. I really like that. Wow. I like that a lot. I do. Wow. Now I'm just gonna clean this up with this dry brush. Kind of smudge it in, just on top. Okay, I'm gonna go put on my foundation, clean this up, and I'll be back. Okay, so I think this is really pretty, but I think it could be prettier. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in the color Eclipse, the black one from the Violet Voss, the rainbow eyeshadow palette, just to like make it a little bit darker with that same tiny brush. Okay. And again, we're gonna blend this out. I think I'm gonna blend it out with something a little bit darker this time. I'm gonna go in with Inheritance, which is this kind of gold color on top. I'm just putting that in the crease to kind of blend it a little bit more. Yeah. Ooh, It is hot in this room. Oh my gosh. I am so warm right now. I feel like I need to go in with a little bit more of this Palermo color. Just like on right here. Yeah. Okay, so put on my foundation, cleaned up my eye makeup. I did want to talk to you guys about this palette I got from Benefit. It is the Cheerleaders Mini Bronze Squad palette. It is amazing. I love all the colors in it. It has a new highlighter called Cookie. Gold Rush is the blush and Hula is the bronzer. It's amazing. I freaking love it. Hula is, in my opinion, like the best bronzer, so I can never have like enough of this. And then Cookie is the prettiest highlight. Like, it's so pretty. It's like a fine dust, like cool toned beige. It's just so pretty. I am getting a spray tan this week. I've decided. I'm so pale right now. This is just not even cute. Like how pale I am. Oh my gosh. I tried to get a tan or a spray tan before I went to a Mardi Gras ball a few weeks ago. The girl was like, no, that's not a good idea. I was like on the verge of tears. Like, I'm so pasty. Like, please let me tan. Like, but really, she had my best interest at heart. Like, it would have been bad if I would have gotten tan because it would have like bled all over the dress I was wearing that night. And it was like a borrowed dress that I was wearing. It just would have been really bad. So I'm glad she had my best interest at heart. But I really do, I think I'm gonna go this week and get a spray tan because I'm just so pasty. So pasty. In fact, I'm so pasty, I'm just gonna put a little bit of bronzer all over my face because I'm just that pasty. Put that on my face. And I'm gonna go in with some highlight. I'm gonna go in with Cookie, but before I do that, I want to put some of this Celestial Cover X Custom Enhancer drops on my cheekbones. And then go in with Cookie to give. And then I'm gonna go in with Cookie. Alright, I think that looks pretty good. I do want to go over my eyebrows again though. So this is it. I feel like this tutorial was really lame. Sorry. Thought I had more to talk about than what I did. But here we are. Yeah, so, but that's all I have for now. I'm going to spray my face with Peach Mist mattifying setting spray. And that's it. That's all I've got. I think I got everything that I wanted to say in this video, and hope everyone has a great week, and thanks for watching. See y'all next time. Bye. So I forgot two things. I put on some lipstick. It's Birthday Suit from Tarte. It's the it's like kind of a nude colored lip paint. And then I also put on some lashes, and these are Sweet Pea from the House of Lashes Sephora collection. Okay, and that's it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am sorry I was a little all over the place, but it's been crazy. It's been crazy. And look at me, I'm still putting on makeup. I think I'm gonna put on a little bit of this. Yeah, because I'm really pale, as y'all already know. Alright, I'm calling it a day. I'm gonna say bye. You're gonna say bye? Say bye. Bye.